Hey, move. Ah!
Gotta flap your arms, Katie, like that.
Flap your arm, okay? Flap your arm like that. Except harder.
And that makes you fly.
And make it fly, you gotta pop the bubbles, okay?
Okay, you want. What's good? Good.
Kitty, move your hand. Move that hand and put it right here. Oh.
Okay.
Did you do that?
Yeah. Now move forward.
Oh, pop the bubbles, pop the bubbles. Go down, go down, go down.
Move back, move back.
Stop running.
Katie, move back.
Okay.
Move back, move back. Go, stop flying, let go.